How to fix the error record while installing the Roblox. Hey guys, in this tutorial I'm going to show you that how you can fix this. So the steps are really easy and simple. So now let's get started. So first of all you have to open up your Windows and here you have to simply search for the Roblox. Now once you are in the Roblox player, here you have to click on this arrow icon and you have to go in its open file location. Now what you have to do is right click on this Roblox player and here you have to click on its properties. Now you have to go in the general and here you have to change the Roblox player name to the Roblox player 1 and you can give it any name that you want, and after that you have to click on its compatibility and here you have to enable these options. One is the run this program and the second one is the run this program as an administrator, and after that you have to also enable this full screen optimization and simply apply the changes and click on the OK. And after that you have to restart your computer and you are able to fix the error occur while installing the Roblox. So if this video helped you out, make sure to like and subscribe the channel and see you in the next video.